Hello everyone, very good afternoon to all of you, and today we are celebrating the 10 years of Techno Exponent Exponent Services Private Limited. It's a proud moment for all of us here, and today we are celebrating the journey. Both of the respected sir, they told us their journey, the obstacles we faced initially, and I will try to tell them in my own words. So firstly, let's see about the success achievements words that we got during these 10 years. So at the first screen you can see these. Actually this is the cover photo of my Facebook, LinkedIn, everywhere. This has become something like my image. You know, during these 10 years, I forgot who am I. I forgot I'm Jyoendrisa Tagore. I think I'm Techno Exponent. This is a funny matter actually. Okay, so as it says, like, we are helping startups, scale-ups, enterprises all over the globe with mainly web, mobile and desktop applications. But not only this, we are working on so many services. And here, as we have showcased, I always do that, maybe because I belong from the sales and marketing team, that we have achieved so many elite clients like Red Bull, Disney, Amazon, the Wall Street Journal, the NASA engineers folks. We feel really proud to work with these elite clients. So let's move to the next screen. Yeah. So as you already know that we are here on this industry since 2011, and our presence in India, USA, UK, Australia, Switzerland and Sweden as of now. We are globally distributed revenue. You can see here, like, in USA it's 35%, in UK it's 30%, Australia 20%, Canada it's 12%, and others 3%. Here we have listed our services. You can see, like, we are providing many services, but the core services include website and web application development, mobile application development in terms of both Android and iOS apps, desktop application development, progressive web apps. That's very much popular nowadays, and I'm getting lots of requirement on progressive web apps. Next, remote dedicated hiring, of course. MVP development, minimal viable product, as you all know. UI and UX designs, and we have great UI and UX designers. That doesn't mean that I'm not talking about the coders, I know. Don't be offensive. Yeah, we have great coders who are very much, into the coding thing. So next, e-commerce solutions, SaaS-based applications, cloud solutions, ERP and CRM management systems like human resource management system, payroll management system, university management system, and so on. All the management systems we are building, and web scraping. These are a few of our core services we are doing here, and there are many more services, but those are not listed here, of course. Let's focus on the core things today. Here you can see something about our work thing mainly. Like, total work hours, we have done like 17,50,400 hours we have already worked, and still counting. Of course, the hours will be very big. I think one day it will not be able for will not be able to accumulate the number in the screen. I'm working for that. We are working for that, of course. And then our business distribution is something like, for the technical persons 90%, and marketing is 10%. And projects we have delivered is 7,000 plus. Yeah, during these 10 years we have successfully completed 7,000 plus projects, and we have, all of our clients are very much happy with the things we did. Here's a big list of the industries we have served. We have worked almost in all the industries. We have served almost all of them. Here are a few like automotive, art, entertainment and music, business services, consumer product, education, financial, government projects, healthcare and medical, hospitality, information technology, designing, manufacturing, media, real estate, NGOs, transportation and logistics, retail and e-commerce, travel and lifestyle, social, startup, enterprise, productivity, banking, list is so big. Yeah. So we have worked on all these industries and we have served clients, and we have, like I told you, that we have worked on almost all the industries, and in near future we are planning to work more on the other industries. Now this screen says an important thing, that why do clients prefer to work with us? As you know, I told you that we have got so many elite clients, we have successfully worked with them. Sometimes many people ask that how did we get those elite clients? By leaving behind the competitors. By competitor, I mean some companies who are bigger than us in terms of the number of employees. Maybe you can say bigger in terms of the number of years they are serving here. But by leaving all them behind, how we got these projects, how we got those elite clients, it's not an easy thing and it's a matter to think. So I would like to tell you a few points, those make us unique. The first point is dedication. I think all of us, all of you, me, we are very much dedicated to our work. While we select you in the interview process, we not only see your technical skills and knowledge, but what we see is the dedication. It always plays a vital role, because we believe that hard work and dedication makes a person perfect. Not all of us are inborn talent. It's not true. Not all of us are inborn talent. But I have seen in my life that many persons with hard work and dedication, they even beat the talents, the so-called talents. In our childhood days, we know many, children who are so-called talented. Their parents are very much proud of them. But I have seen many mediocre students with their hard work and dedication. They have beat them in real. So dedication always matters, And when our clients see the dedication in us to achieve new things, to do the new things, the complex things, and to provide the quality service to the clients, so they also like the dedication, because they know that who are dedicated, they can give me the best solution. Next point is innovation. I always say everyone that don't be bored. Always be innovative and creative, because innovation and creation matters really. And when we are innovative or creative, then we like to do such works. I like to say that our developers, our coders, they are very much innovative. They are doing lots of innovations, because I get many projects from my clients where the requirements are really very unique, very complex. I always go to them and say that, like, just example, Rahul, I say, Rahul, please say me that how will it work, can we do that or not? But I feel really good that they are very supportive. They just tell me, ma'am, just give me a few minutes, I will check and I will come back to you. So it's kind of research and development we are doing here. It's not that we are only working on the old school things or what things are available everywhere, but we are doing so many new things. We are working on so many new technologies, and our developers are really very helpful, because I belong from the sales and marketing department, so it's not possible for me to know all the technological things, right? So you guys need to help me on that, and I'm really thankful that they help us to get those, and we are doing lots of innovations, we are doing research and development, and that's make us unique. Like many times it happens that requirement comes when we are not sure that even that is possible for us to do, not for us, actually that is technologically possible or not to do. In those cases, we do research work for free. We don't ask money from our clients for that. And clients, good clients always like this fact that we are not the money suckers. We are not the money suckers. We like to give the quality product to our clients, And and money is of course matter, because to grow of course money matters, but also the matter is that we want to provide them the quality services. Next point is mission. Like Officer and Sachi sir, both of them told us about the mission of the company. Of course, there's a big mission that we want to be bigger, biggest. And my mission, if I say that it is to, I want that Techno Exponent is counted as the one of the best IT solution providers, not only in West Bengal, not in India, but all over the world. That's my mission. My team will keep working on that. Like, just a few days back I saw a film, it was, I guess, Shersa, where he told that, I'm bad in Hindi, so this thing I'm trying to say in Bengali, like, that Ashboto Nishchoy, Hoy Tiranga rap kore, ba normally jite, lehre, West Korea. Okay, so like that. So what I will do, I will keep trying, my team will keep trying to make Techno Exponent the best. Okay, so either I will be the best, either Techno Exponent will be the best, or we will die trying. But we will not stop trying. We'll keep trying to make Techno Exponent best until the last breath. And that's my mission. Next point is honesty. We are very honest here in Techno Exponent. We like to keep an ambience where we, all of us are very much honest and keep things transparent to our clients. For that reason, we have made the thing where, like, as we all know that we are using our hourly trackers. We all are using, right? Those track our daily hours of work, those take the random shots. This is actually we have adapted to for the clients. Clients what they see, when they see the exact hours the developers are working, so they are sure that for what purpose, for exact what hours they are paying actually. And that's why, that's because of that transparency, clients like us a lot. And one more thing, like we always take care of the security measures. We take care of the safety for the clients, like we are signing the NDA and IP agreement. I hope you know NDA is non-disclosure agreement, IP agreement is, intellectual property agreement. So we take care of the safety of the clients. Everything is transparent between the development team and the client, and clients like this fact a lot. And one more thing that I told about the tracker that tracks your hours. As sir told that, here everyone is same from the CEO to the fresher. So all of us are using the same tracker. The tracker runs in all of our system. It tracks all of our works to make the similarity that we are all the same. He is the CEO, he is the MD. That doesn't mean that the system will not track their hours. As your hours are getting tracked, their hours are also getting tracked. So, next point is passion. We are very much passionate about the work. I say people that either do your work with passion or don't do it. If you are not passionate of what you are doing, so please don't do it, because you will not be successful. You can write in a blank paper. If you are not passionate about your work, you will not be successful. It's not possible. It never happened in any history. I know our developers are passionate about their codes, our salesperson, marketing persons are passionate about their skills. So when all of us are very passionate, so the result is very nice. Because as our coders are passionate about their code base, so they always make sure that the output is the best. So when the output is clutter-free, bug-free, seamless, then of course the client will also be very much happy, right? So that's the thing. And next point is vision. Vision is also very much similar to the mission, so I'm not repeating again. So I want to be the best, we want to be the best. Then consistency. about the consistent work, but actually by the real mean we provide the consistent result to the clients, and always it is very much good on the top. It is. Next is approach. Our approach is very much detail oriented to the clients. We take all the things, the result should be very much consistent, always it should be very good. Then approach, our approach is very detail oriented. Philosophy, our philosophy is to make our clients happy. That's the main goal of us. When we are working here, as developer, as manager, as salesperson, as marketing person, as HR, we should know that what value we are adding to the society. In our society, doctors are very much respected. I hope all of you will agree. If someone says that I am doctor, so we see that person with very much respect. Why? Because they are providing the emergency services. They are saving lives. But what we are doing? We are doing our work and getting salary and that's all. No, that's not true. As in our company, we are providing services to the startups, scale-ups, enterprises. So of course we are adding value to the society. The startups come to us with their dreams. There are youngsters are there who come to us with their dreams to build a business. So we are helping those dreams, we are helping those minds. We are adding a value in such a way. We are helping those startups to grow. We are helping the scale-ups to keep their dream high so that they can be a giant company one day. We are also helping the common people all over the globe. Why? By providing the product and services to the giant companies, as the vast number of users are using the services of the giant companies. So when we are providing our services to those giant companies, so the mass is getting valued. We are also adding values to the society. But I'm sure that most of us sometimes we just get confused that actually what thing we are doing, what value it is adding to the society. But trust me, we are adding value to the society. We are shaping the future. We are programming the next generation, like the logo says. And the motto, once again, of course, I keep repeating, our motto is to be the best and to add the most number of value to the globe. Now, when we work a lot day and night, so sometimes some awards, recognitions, those make us feel happy. Those motivate us to work more, right? So here on the screen we can see a few of the awards and recognitions. Like, in the year of 2017, we got awarded as Entrepreneur India 2017 by Entrepreneur India. In the year of 2017, we were nominated and awarded as the Best Achiever by AIAFS, All India Achievers Foundation. This is a government agency. Of course, we got nominated and awarded by them. Then, freelancer.com. The term freelancer sometimes suggests freelancer, but actually, freelancer.com has the corporate accounts. We have the corporate account in freelancer.com, and there are, as per the report of freelancer.com, 50 million on-demand companies are there on freelancer.com, and as per them, we were badged as top 1% corporate profile holder in the year 2018. So, when you were counted among 50 million service providers, so it's a matter to be proud of. Next, by Upwork, another platform where we were badged as a rising star and top rated. I would like to tell you that there are many platforms where we have very good reviews from the clients, like on freelancer.com. As I told you, we have corporate account, not the freelancer account. It's different from the corporate account. Corporate account is the business account, and there we have 300 plus client reviews. In Upwork, we have completed 160 plus projects. We also have very good reviews on Clutch, on Trustpilot, Good Firms, and so many other platforms. So those are our recognitions, we can say. And in our company, we always like to take the complex projects. We don't take, mere websites like, home, about, those pages. Those are of course welcome. But we like to do something different. We like to do something complex because we are young blood, right? We are not here to work like the old school things and old people. No offense, of course, once again. So, so these were a few of the awards, those who were awarded to us, of course, and we have so many other recognitions like, as you know, that we are Google Partner Company, we have the Microsoft Partnership, we are Adobe Business Solution Partner. Our elite clients, once again, to remind you, I keep telling this as I told you, I will tell once more on this screen, like NASA engineers, Red Bull, Disney, Amazon, the Wall Street Journal, Forbes, HBS, KYS Tech, Parrot, Tidy Me, Guild Agency, Pro in Your Pocket. These are a few of our elite clients we feel most proud of. Like we all know what technologies we are working on. For the web application development, for the backend, we are working on technologies like Node.js, Express.js, Next.js, Python, Django, Java, Spring Boot, Laravel, Core PHP, WordPress, Magento, Shopify, and many more. Frontend, we are working on react.js, Angular, vue.js. For the mobile application development, we are working both on native and hybrid platform. In native platform, we are using Java and Kotlin for the Android app development. We are using Swift for iOS app development. Here's a big mistake. I will tell you that for the hybrid hybrid technologies, we are using like React Native, Flutter, Ionic, for the hybrid technologies to build both the Android and iOS apps. And for the PWU, we are using technology React.js, Angular, Vue.js. We are working on e-commerce platforms using WooCommerce, Magento. Database, we are using MySQL, MongoDB, PostgreSQL, CouchDB, MariaDB, MS SQL, SQLite, SQL, Oracle, etc. And these lists are not the rigid. We are always working on the new things, on the new technologies with their latest stable versions. So now on UI, we are using Figma, Sketch, Adobe Photoshop, InVision app, Adobe XD, Adobe Illustrator, Zeppelin, Adobe PageMaker, CorelDRAW, Adobe Flash. This list was provided to me by Shuman Dera, sitting there. Yeah, so we are using all these things for the UI design, and yeah, I just in this point I want to thank Tutun and Shuman that they made these outstanding presentations actually on the last minute for all of us. So thanks to you guys. Yeah, so next move to the next point, project management tools we are using like Trello, Jira, Asana, GitLab. Subversion repositories we are using GitHub, Bitbucket. The communication medium we are using at present like Skype, email, Hangout, WhatsApp, Telegram, Signal with the clients. And of course, whenever new things will come, we'll quickly adopt those things. So yeah, now just I will tell you something else. You have seen lots of the achievements, awards, recognitions, lots of things we just told. I told you so many times about the elite clients and all. But trust me, this was not a cakewalk. Like you can see in the image, at the left side you can see there is a girl and there's a red carpet. And there's another girl at the right side where the road is full of blocks, cactus, and those things. So to achieve this, what we got today, when we are celebrating the 10 years, I could tell you that it was not a cakewalk. It is not. When you see success of someone, you see all the things that, are very much, we can see very nicely, the marketing things, sales things. But what we miss to see is their failures, their hurdles they faced, the obstacles they faced, and how they came up on those points. So I will say you something of those. So as told, and I told you before also that, Techno Exponent was digitally formed in the year of 2011. I was a student that time. Yeah, I was a student that time when I started working for Techno Exponent. I was a student, I used to go to college in the daytime, I used to work at the night time up to 3 p.m., 3:30 p.m. for Techno Exponent. I have learned so many things from our sir and Shubhaji sir. I got the enthu to work for so long by seeing them. They also were working at that time since, at up to 4 a.m., not p.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m. just to deliver something, deliver projects to the clients. So that time it was digitally available also, we were working digitally. In the year of 2012, Techno Exponent was first registered. It was a proud moment for us, and I remember the day when we were thinking what name to be given for this Techno Exponent. Lots of thoughts in mind, lots of suggestions, and finally Techno Exponent name was given. And it was a little baby for us. We given that name. We started Techno Exponent with lots of dreams, with lots of hopes, with lots of emotion. It's the emotion for us. And then, in the year of 2013, we took our first office in Baguihati. I hope you know where Baguihati is. It is near to Sector 5, of course, but not Sector 5. So it was a small office, of course. The first office was small office. Those were the days I remember. We used to work hard, very hard those days to get our feet in this industry. Only one floor of a building was taken. Only one floor was taken. And we used to work very hard. I remember in those days, I came to office to, just before that I would like to say you, that so that I can add more value to the work, I took a room just beside the office. I used to come to office at 7 a.m. and I used to work up to 11:30 night. I never seen the watch. I never seen. And of course, they also never seen what they are sitting here now. They have never seen the watch. They have worked hard. They have shed sweats in the real mean. And that's how they have come here today. Always, client satisfaction mattered to us. Always. And we always think of the matter that we should provide the best quality service to our clients. So we were doing really hard those days. Those days were hard, and we were working to achieve more and more. Then came 2014. In this year, I got the project. Yes, I got the project from Red Bull. It was a great achievement for me, for Techno Exponent, and it added a great value to Techno Exponent. We took another floor of the same building in Baguihati. Yeah. With that time, I will tell about myself. I used to dream that one day we'll have office in Sector 5. I used to dream that. I was not sure what was going to happen, but what we were doing, we were working. Like there is a thing in Bhagavad Gita, Karvanne Vyadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. Same way, we were working on it. We didn't know what is going to happen, what we will achieve. But the matter only what we were doing is we were working. And maybe it is said that when you work with honesty, when you work with a good mind, then maybe God or some supernatural power also helps you. Maybe that's how we achieve things. That's how maybe we got the project from Red Bull. So we took another floor that, as I told you, in the year 2014. And that time, it was a real problem for the HR team to get the candidates. Why? Because the aspirants and the senior persons of this IT industry, they are simply crazed about Sector 5, right? So all of them wanted to join Sector 5, all of them. But it was a matter, it was a matter to be worried about for the HR team. But hopefully few great candidates join that time. And still with us, they are there. Today they couldn't join as they are doing work from home, they have gone to their hometown. But we count them as our core members. You know how we say someone core? We call them core, who trusted us, who believed us, who joined our hands in that time when many persons didn't believe us. Many persons didn't believe us what we could do, but those persons supported us. They joined hands, they worked day and night so that today we are here. So we count them as our core members. So they joined us that time, and we got the wings. We spread the wings that time. Then in the year of 2016, my dream came true. It was my dream to get the office in Sector 5. Our dream came true. We took our second office in Salt Lake Sector 5. We became the private limited company. We got MCA registered, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, because before that time many persons, when we were in Baguihati, that time many persons used to, when HR used to call them, so they used to say, we are looking for an registered company and so on. But you know that everything doesn't come instantly, right? It needs time to grow, it needs time to understand the thing, because we started working out of our passion. So we were not from the so-called business family, not from the so-called entrepreneurs. We are the common people. We work with dreams, with passion, and we want to be the best. So with that, we became the private limited company. We got MCA registered. Then in the year of 2017, we were awarded as Entrepreneur India 2017, like I told you before. We got the Best Achiever Awards by AIFS. We became the Google Partner Company, took another floor on the same building. Now I'm talking about Sector 5. We took another building of the same company in the year of 2017. Once who used to dream of Sector 5, they started growing. It was 2018. We got branches in Delhi. We got branches in USA, Dallas, Texas. We became the technical partner of APA, All Public. Like Sir told you that our main platform, All Public Arts, launching news got published in the prestigious newspaper, the Los Angeles Times. We became Microsoft and Adobe Business Solution Partner. Another new floor was taken on the same building. 2019, we joined hands with 3 giant collaborators in the USA, 1 giant collaborator in Australia, 1 big collaborator in Belgium. 2020, we joined hands with one more giant collaborator in Sweden, 1 more giant collaborator in the USA. It was 2020 when the pandemic came to us. It hit all the industries all over the globe very badly. But that was the time when we stood strong. How we stood strong? Because you stood strong with us. You were there with us at the time when the pandemic came. The developers, the designers, the sales and marketing team, they said that we will fight this war. We will be successful. Yes, we did that. In that pandemic, when many companies were there, they were struggling a lot because we stood strong. We got more success. We defeated the pandemic in our own way because we are the young blood, as I tell you. Now, 2021, this year we are celebrating the 10 years. Many more big collaborations in the USA, UK and Saudi Arabia. Taken new branch initiatives in London and Switzerland. We are growing our team and spreading all over the globe. We are spreading our wings. We will be the best one day. We either will be the best or we will die trying, but we will not stop. Here on the screen you can see I have written something, the throne demands sacrifice. Now I will tell you something. Now let's speak in Bengali. Onek English hoyeche. So আমরা সবাই যারা কাজ করছি, আমরা সবাই একটা থ্রোন আর একটা ক্রাউন পেতে চাই, আমরা সবাই সাকসেসফুল হতে চাই আমাদের লাইফে, কিন্তু আমরা স্যাক্রিফাইস করতে চাই না। আমরা বৃষ্টির দিনে আমাদের অনেক সময় ইচ্ছা করে দেরি করে ঘুম থেকে উঠতে, বা কখনো ইচ্ছে করে আজকে ঠিক ভালো লাগছে না। এটা কমন, অফকোর্স কমন টু এভরিওয়ান, আমারও ইচ্ছে করে। বাট ওটাই আমাদেরকে চেঞ্জ করতে হবে, আমাদেরকে লটস অফ স্যাক্রিফাইস করতে হবে। আমি একটা রিয়েল ইনস্ট্যান্স তো আমাদেরকে বলছি। বেশ কিছু বছর আগে আমি আর আমার একজন ফ্রেন্ড সে সময় ছিল, তো আমরা ক্যাবে করে যাচ্ছি, তো একটা এফএম চ্যানেলে কোনো একজন আরজে বেশ ন্যাকা ভাবে এবং ভাঙা গলায় বলছে যে এই বৃষ্টির সন্ধ্যাবেলা, আমি বলতে পারবো না, মনে করে চেষ্টা করছি, এই বৃষ্টির সন্ধ্যাবেলা সত্যি কাজ করতে একদম ইচ্ছা করছে না, মনে হচ্ছে ল্যাপটপটা বন্ধ করে দিই, মনে হচ্ছে একটু জানলার বাইরে হাত বার করে একটু বৃষ্টির মানে যে ড্রপগুলো একটু হাতে নিই, বেশ একটু মন ভুরভুরভাবে গান করি। তো আমার বন্ধু বলে উঠলো, সত্যি আর ভালো লাগছে না, এই একই কাজ বেকার লাগে। ঠিক আছে, বেশ অনেক বছর কেটে গেছে। তারপরে কিছুদিন আগে সেই বন্ধু, সেই সময় আমি তার সাথে একটা কোর্স করছিলাম অফকোর্স, তো সে আমাকে কিছুদিন আগে ফেসবুকে মেসেজ করে that that I'm looking for some job, can you please help me? আমি বললাম যে কেন, তুই তো অনেক আগে শুরু করে দিয়েছিলি। বাট ওর কিছু প্রবলেমস ছিল, সো she couldn't made up and now she is not in a good condition, of course financially I'm talking about. Coincidentally at the same day আমি ফেসবুক নিউজ ফিডে দেখলাম একটা ঘটনা, দেখ সেই যে আরজে নাকা ভাঙা গলায় সেদিনকে বলেছিল ল্যাপটপটা বন্ধ করে দিতে, সেই আরজে এমপ্লয়ি অফ দ্য ইয়ার অ্যাওয়ার্ড পেয়েছে। শি ওয়াজ দ্য এমপ্লয়ি অফ দ্য ইয়ার। তাহলে অ্যাকচুয়ালি যে আমাদেরকে প্রভোক করছিল ল্যাপটপটা বন্ধ করে দিতে, ওটা কেন করছিল? শি ওয়াজ অ্যাকচুয়ালি ডুইং হার জব। বাট তার কথায় উদ্বুদ্ধ হয়ে আমরা যারা ল্যাপটপটা অফ করে দিয়ে বৃষ্টিটা নিতে গেলাম, তারা পরে জব ফাইন্ড করছি, বা অফকোর্স করতে পারছি না, কিন্তু সেই সন্ধ্যাবেলা বৃষ্টির সন্ধ্যাতেও বৃষ্টি না দেখে আমাদেরকে বলছিল বৃষ্টি দেখতে। She was doing her job, she did her job really well, and now she is the employee of the year. সে তার কোম্পানির সিইও, এমডি এদের সাথে ছবি দিচ্ছে, তার কত ফলোয়ার। It was really coincident and I was surprised. I could see that day the difference. Sometimes যেটা অভয় স্যার বললেন যে আমরা অনেক সময় ব্যাড জিনিস থেকে প্রভোক্ট হয়ে যাই। তোমরা দেখবে যারা আর্মিতে থাকে তাদেরকে কিন্তু অনেক নিয়ম শৃঙ্খলা মেনে চলতে হয়, অনেক নিয়ম থাকে, তারা প্রচুর ডেডিকেটেড, তারা অনেক কিছু করে না, অনেক কিছু এই কারণে করে না যাতে সেই জিনিসটা তাদের কাজকে ইফেক্ট মানে খারাপভাবে না করে, যাতে তারা আরও ভালোভাবে কাজ করে। তো আমাদের ভাই কাজ করবার আগে ভেবে নিতে হবে আমি কেন করছি। আমি কি সরকারি চাকরির মতন কাজ করে একটা স্যালারি করে একটা ওভারঅল অ্যাভারেজ লাইফ লিড করতে চাই, নাকি আই ওয়ান্ট টু বি দ্য সাকসেসফুল ওয়ান, নাকি আমি সবাইকে দেখাতে চাই আমি একটা বড় জায়গায় পৌঁছতে চাই। তো যদি এটা ইচ্ছা হয় যে আমরা সত্যি বড় কিছু করতে চাই, বড় জায়গায় যেতে চাই, সো অফকোর্স উইল হ্যাভ টু ওয়ার্ক অ্যাজ পার দ্যাট। ওই বৃষ্টির জল দেখলে হবে না, বৃষ্টির জলগুলো রবিবার শনিবার দেখো, অন্যদিন যখন কাজ করবার ওই যে বাইরে যদি বৃষ্টিটা দেখে মন চলে যায়, পর্দাটা টাঙিয়ে নিও, কারণ কাজটা করতে হবে। ঠিক আছে, আর আরেকটা জিনিস লাস্ট পয়েন্ট আমি বলবো, সেটা হচ্ছে যে আমরা কিভাবে গ্রো করছি। আমরা নানা রকম সার্ভিস প্রোভাইড করছি, আমরা বিভিন্ন নতুন টেকনোলজিতে কাজ করছি, নতুন ভার্সনসে কাজ করছি। তো তোমরা কিভাবে গ্রো করবে? আমাদের যখন প্রতি বছর কাটে আমাদের স্যালারি ইনক্রিমেন্ট হয়, রাইট? ঠিক আছে, এটা তো বছর কাটানোর জন্য আমার স্যালারি ইনক্রিমেন্ট হলো, বাট অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমার ভ্যালিউ কি করে বাড়বে? আমার ভ্যালিউ তো তখন বাড়বে না যখন আমি অ্যাকচুয়ালি নিজের মধ্যেও কিছু ইনপুট দেবো, নতুন জিনিস শিখবো, নতুন কিছুতে কাজ করতে পারবো। শুধু বছর কাটিয়ে স্যালারি বাড়াটা আমার চোখে, ডোন্ট বি অফেন্সিভ, ট্রাই টু আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড হোয়াট আই এম সেইং। সেই হয় না, ধরো রথের মেলা হচ্ছে, চল ভাই গিয়ে একটু জিলাপি বিক্রি করে আসি। There is some kind of sellers যারা হচ্ছে ওই সিজনাল, কোনো একটা ঘটনা ঘটছে এই সময় সবাই সেল করছে, আমরাও ভাই সেল করি। ঠিক আছে, তখন আমি লাভ করে নিলাম, ভালো কথা, কিন্তু হোয়াট অ্যাবাউট দ্য হোল ইয়ার? আমার ভিতরে যদি কিছু না থাকে, সো হাউ ক্যান আই গ্রো? এর এক্সাম্পল আমি বলবো, লাইক আই টোল্ড ইউ অ্যাবাউট রাহুল আর সাম আদার ডেভেলপার্স হু আর রিয়েলি my team a lot on getting the technical things to understand the new things. Sometimes I face problem also, when the new things come, I go to the developers, I ask them the things. Suppose let's take example of Java. ধরো তোমরা কেউ একজন Java developer আছো, right? So client কিছু একটা Java কোনো related কিছু জিনিস নিয়ে আমাকে জিজ্ঞাসা করলো, so of course I will go to you for the help. So at that time তোমার রেসপন্সিবিলিটি সেই জিনিসটা সম্বন্ধে আমাকে বলা, রাইট? বিকজ আমি তো অফকোর্স জানবো না, কিন্তু তুমি যদি সেই সময় আমাকে বলে দাও যে না I don't know, I have not worked on that. So how can we grow? তোমরা যখন কোনো টেকনোলজিতে কাজ করছো, সেই টেকনোলজি রিলেটেড লাইব্রেরিজ, প্যাকেজেস বা যেগুলো রয়েছে, you will know better. I'm not going to the terms. I hope you are understanding what I mean. Maybe I know only libraries and packages, but there are so many other things, as you know. So ওগুলো সম্বন্ধে তোমাদের জেনে রাখা উচিত। লাইক আমি একটা জিনিসে কাজ করেছি, আমি কিছু লাইব্রেরিজে কাজ করেছি বা কিছুতে করিনি, বাট অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমার সময় পেলে আমার ঘেটে দেখা উচিত যে কোন লাইব্রেরিজগুলো পপুলার, কোন লাইব্রেরিজগুলো মার্কেটে নতুন আসছে। আমরা না কাজ করে রাখলেও ওইগুলোর নলেজ যদি আমরা নিয়ে রাখি, সো অ্যাট দ্য মোমেন্ট ক্লায়েন্ট ইজ আস্কিং ফর দ্যাট, ইউ ক্যান হেল্প। অ্যান্ড তুমি যখন হেল্প করতে পারবে তখন তোমার ভ্যালিউ বাড়বে। তুমি শুধু যেটাতে কাজ করেছো এটা তোমার এক্সপিরিয়েন্স, নট অনলি দ্যাট। যখন এটা ছাড়াও তুমি এক্সট্রা জিনিস জানো, তখন অ্যাকচুয়ালি তোমার ভ্যালিউ বাড়বে। আমি এক দুটো ডিফারেন্স দেখেছি, যখন কোনো স্টাফ কোনো কোম্পানিতে ইন্টারভিউ দেয়, হি অর শি সিমস ভেরি ডেসপারেট। তখন যখন তাকে বলা হয় যে তুমি এই টেকনোলজিতে জানো বা এটা কাজ করেছো, তখন সে বেশি বলে দেয় যে না আমি তো ওটাতে কাজ করিনি, বাট আমি শিখে নেব, আই উইল লার্ন দিস ইন কুইক টাইম। বাট সেম ইন্টারভিউ যখন আমি ক্লায়েন্টের সাথে তাদেরকে অ্যাসাইন করি, ক্লায়েন্ট যখন আস্ক করে যে তুমি কি এটাতে কাজ করেছো, সেই ডেসপারেশন কিন্তু তখন নেই। তখন দে আর সেইং নো, আই হ্যাভ নট ওয়ার্কড অন দ্যাট, ক্যান ইউ ডু দ্যাট, আই এম নট শিওর। সো দেখো, ক্লায়েন্ট পাওয়াই আমাদের মেন লক্ষ্য। আমরা তখনই বড় হব যখন আমরা ক্লায়েন্ট পাবো, রাইট? সো তোমাদেরকে ওই ব্যাপার, যেমন একটা জব পেতে একটা ডেসপারেশন থাকে আমাদের মধ্যে, সেম ডেসপারেশন, সেম ডেডিকেশন থাকা উচিত যখন ক্লায়েন্টের ইন্টারভিউতে তোমরা যাচ্ছ। আর দেখো, টেকনো এক্সপোনেন্ট ইজ জাস্ট এ লোগো উইদাউট ইউ গাইস। ওটা একটা জাস্ট এ লোগো, ওটার কোনো ইয়ে নাই। টেকনো এক্সপোনেন্ট আমি, টেকনো এক্সপোনেন্ট স্যাররা, টেকনো এক্সপোনেন্ট তুমি, তোমরা সবাই টেকনো এক্সপোনেন্ট। তোমাদের মিলে টেকনো এক্সপোনেন্ট হয়। সো আমরা অল টুগেদার ডেডিকেশন, প্যাশনের সাথে কাজ করলে টেকনো এক্সপোনেন্ট তবেই বড় হতে পারে। যেটা আমি তোমাদেরকে বললাম যে ইদার সাকসেসফুল হব বা চেষ্টা করতে করতে আই উইল ডাই। কিন্তু সেটা সাকসেসফুল হবে তখনই যখন তোমরা সবাই তোমাদের হ্যান্ডস জয়েন করবে, রাইট? অ্যান্ড টেকনো এক্সপোনেন্ট যত বড় হবে, আমরা তত বড় হব। আমরা অনেক বড় বড় কোম্পানি দেখতে পারি, অনেক বড় বড় কোম্পানি, জয়েন্ট কোম্পানিজ। আমরা অনেক সময় স্বপ্ন দেখি যে যদি ওই কোম্পানির ম্যানেজমেন্টে থাকতে পারতাম, ওই কোম্পানির টপ 100-এ থাকতে পারতাম। বাট মেবি পসিবল ফর সামওয়ান, বাট অনেকের ক্ষেত্রে এটা লাইফ টাইম কেটে যাবে ওই জয়েন্ট কোম্পানিজের টপ 100-এর মধ্যে যাওয়ার। বাট হিয়ার উই হ্যাভ এ স্কোপ। লাইক আমরা যারা এখানে আছি, আজ আছি, তারা মেবি আফটার 10 years, after 20 years, we can be the core 100 of Techno Exponent that will have more than 10,000 employees. তখন we can count easily. Like sir told you that we are the big fish of the medium level pond. So you are the big fishes of this pond. You have the opportunity to grow yourself. আমরা একসাথে সবাই মিলে গ্রো করতে পারি, একসাথে সবাই মিলে কাজ করতে পারি। আমি কাজ করছি, অন্যজন না করলে হবে না। We all can do this, and I'm sure that we will join hands and we'll achieve the success. We'll be the best. That's all. Thank you.